Hey folks, got a Hyundai Santa Fe here with a V6. This is an '07 or an '08. Most likely an '07. All right. Here is the air filter. All right. We're gonna check the air filter on this one, but to change it will be the same way. It'll be very simple. There are 3 clips. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. All right. And there's a little piece in the bottom over there that I'll show you that it slips into a slot. That's what locks that corner, because of course you can't put a clip back there because of everything over there. All right. So there's only 3 clips. That one is just a little bracket that slides in. So basically what you do here is gonna unclip 1, 2, and then this one back here, which is 3, and then this cover is gonna lift. So I'm gonna set you up over here without you falling. Okay, here you go. All right. 3 clips. Lift this whole box up, out of the way. There is your air filter. Just grab it, pull it right out, just like that. And let's take a look at it. All right. This is where the air comes in from. All right. There it is. Not too bad. Okay, it's pretty clean. All right, got a couple little dirt spots in there you can see. All right, but it's pretty good. You could just beat it on the ground somewhere, get some of the dirt that's in it out, and this one is can go right back in. All right, so it only goes in one way. Well, actually, it doesn't matter because it's all symmetrical. Is that the word? Okay, it's all the same. All right, so it doesn't matter which way you go. Take it, stick it right back in here, like that, okay? The little slot I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take it off this tripod here. There's a slot right there, okay? That's it right there. That just has to slide into that little slot there, and that holds it, all right? So let's see if we can do this. One hand, see that? Lines it up, goes right in that slot. Give a little push down, and you got 1, 2, and you got number 3 clip. That's it, and you're all done. There is your air filter. That's how you check it. That's how you change it. All right, that's it. There you go. Thanks for watching.